Yeah, don't know how to film this one. I will try. I've made a bag and I found a tutorial and on YouTube, and I love this bag, and I will put a link in the description box below where you can find the tutorial. It's awesome, and you can put a lot of presents in this gift bag. And what did I do? I used paper from a local store that's cactus and succulent related, and I'm going to send this to Leonie. She loves succulents and cactus paper and stuff. So I made it in her style. So I don't know if you can see it in the right way. Look on the side. There's enough space, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. And this has a closure like this with Velcro, and you can open it like this. Yeah. And I put all kinds of presents in there that I packaged with also cactus and succulent paper. So, all goodies. Look how many goodies you can fit in there. So it's very nice to make if you want to put some goodies in, in a bag, in an original way, like this, like a bag. Yeah, this is all printed paper, and I love it. This I've used the paper I made myself. I put joy on there, and hope you like it. And if you have questions, just let me know, and I've put a link in the description box below to the tutorial of the bag. It's you use 2 sheets of 12-inch paper, some leftovers from other paper that I've used. This is wood, and not wood but wood paper, and this is other paper, but this use 2 sheets, and you have to make the closure, and that's it. So I love it. This is the bag, and I hope you will like it. And if you have questions, just let me know, and I will put photos in the front of the video so you can see the bag better than this. But it's cute. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.